Hello and welcome to the Global Electronics Report. It's Friday, November 25th, and my name is David Burford. Swedish manufacturer of SMT equipment Mycronic has made a strategic acquisition of Automation Engineering Inc., or AEI. The acquisition is part of Mycronic's ambitions for growth, with the goal of becoming a global supplier of high-precision and high-flexibility equipment utilizing advanced software. AEI is a developer of precision camera module and test systems for electronic products. According to Lena Olving, Mycronic's president and CEO, AEI matches the company's own portfolio and areas of competence. The acquisition is effective immediately and the company will be consolidated into the Mycronic group. The UK government has announced a £1 billion investment into private sector rollout of full fibre broadband by 2020 to 21 and trials of 5G mobile communications. The news has been welcomed by Cambridge Wireless, a non-profit network of more than 400 companies involved in wireless and mobile technology development. The announcement was made by UK Chancellor Philip Hammond in the autumn statement that included a £100 million investment into testing driverless cars and £400 million to support tech startups. Robert Driver, CEO at CW, welcomed the news by saying, "The recent finals of the CW Discovering Startups competition demonstrated the exciting level of UK innovation and entrepreneurship, and it is vital that the government shows its commitment to nurture new talent and drive the development of pioneering technologies such as autonomous vehicles." One story that emerged from Donald Trump's recent meeting with the New York Times is that he has had at least 2 discussions by telephone with Tim Cooke, CEO at Apple, asking him to build Apple phones in America. And according to a recent report in the Nikkei Business Review, the request has not fallen on deaf ears. Cooke has instructed both iPhone CEMs, Foxconn and Pegatron to look into the costs associated with moving manufacturing stateside. The report claims that Pegatron has flatly refused, while Foxconn are complying with the Apple request and seriously looking into the proposition. Trump, for his part, has promised considerable tax reductions for Apple. In other Apple news, the company has been awarded a patent to produce a foldable display, perhaps to make its debut when the iPhone 8 is released, in the form of a clamshell handset. The screen will utilize OLED technology and is reportedly going to use single or multiple metal hinges to fold the screen panels. The likelihood is that the release of a clamshell phone will not coincide with the release of the iPhone 8, as Apple is likely to want to spend a longer period of time to redefine the technology to be able to offer better than its rivals like Samsung and Lenovo that have already demoed products with flexible displays. Finally, Northern Corporation are to release their fourth quarter results on December 13th and will host its quarterly webcast the following day. Investors who are unable to participate can catch up with the webcast on Northern's website and will be available until December 21st. That's it for this week. Check back next week for more top stories from around the electronics world.